Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being a part of our subscriber family. In the last video, we showed you the Avengers MCU store. We actually showed you a photo collage of the Cirque show called Mystere. And we also showed you some slot play. And in this video, we will show you some very different and very cool places as well. In this video, we'll give you a room tour of the Planet Hollywood room. We will show you a photo collage of the Vegas Strip. We will also show you the Bellagio Fountain Show with the song Hallelujah. We will take you through the Fremont Experience, and we will show you how busy it gets at night on the Strip. And to end the night, we will show you a little bit of slot play. Now sit back, relax, grab a drink, and come with us and enjoy our day number 2 in Las Vegas. Also, remember to like, share, subscribe, or comment in our video as it will help our channel. Alright guys, you asked for it. Here is the tour of the room. Let's take a look at the room now. And looking at the bathroom, it's very well appointed and it is definitely modern. And looking at the walls, you have New York style subway tiles. And everything in this bathroom is fully decked out. Now, let's take a look at the actual living space. We had a king-size bed along with really, I think, modern Art Deco looking type of wall and design. And we had a 49-inch or bigger TV on the wall, which was really nice, especially if you're sleeping in the bed. Now let's look at the view from the hotel room. The room I reserved was a room with a strip view, and that was what was delivered. The Planet Hollywood Hotel is situated in the middle of the Strip. Due to the position it's in, you get some of the best views in Vegas. Not only do you get a great view of the Strip, but you can also get a great view of the Red Rock Mountain behind the Bellagio Hotel and Resort Casino. Is paying a premium for the room worth it? For me, I think it is. To prove it, you'll see 2 fantastic time-lapse videos taken from the room. The time-lapse video will speak for itself. And here is the photo collage of the Strip. During the day, we walked the Vegas Strip, and what we did was, on the Strip, we walked into different casino/resorts just to see the architecture and the uniqueness that it brings. And we went into the Paris Casino, to the Caesar Palace. We also went to the Bellagio. We ended up actually at the Venetian to see the canals, and it was a lot of fun. Proudly present the Bellagio Fountain Show with their song Hallelujah. We hope you enjoyed the Bellagio Fountain Show featuring the song Hallelujah. We are not done yet. Now come with us to the downtown Fremont Street Experience. The Fremont Street Experience is best done at night, where all the neon and the show will be seen at its best. If you have not seen the Fremont Street Experience, this is a must-do at least once. Also, the Fremont Street is the home of the $12.99 steak and lobster dinner. If you get to make it out to Fremont Street, why not make it a dinner night and save 30 to 50% off the strip? And this is what it feels like to cross the street on the strip in a busy night. Now, this street crossing seemed really busy, but can you believe this was taken during the weeknight? How busy do you think the weekends are? Well, try double or tripling the amount of people crossing the street. And now, check out some slot play. This game is called Quick Hits, and it is one of the games that I will always play at one of the Caesars casinos. This game has been really good to me. Although I hit a really nice bonus here, overall I was down. However, I did not blow my overall gaming budget. We ended the night going back to the room to this beautiful view, and this is where we will end this video. Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.